Very well. Um, I'm making this series of videos reviewing some usability issues, some functionality issues, some user experience issues on tools we use every day. So I'm reviewing LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, Google applications, etc. So this time I want to make a small review of YouTube user experience. I think we all use YouTube daily. You are watching this video right now in YouTube. Um, but it has a lot of usability issues. I don't think functional issues a lot on YouTube. I think the tool itself is robust, very robust, um, and functional issues are not common, are very rare, but it has a lot of usability issues and user experience issues that I think can be easily fixed. They just need to take a look at what users do and try to make life easier to them. So some of those fixes can save a lot of time to a lot of users. And I think it is good to show them where the issues are so they can take a look at that. And if I'm having these issues, maybe there are a lot of people also having these issues, and for them and for me also, it's difficult to reach YouTube support and reach them and make them take a look at this. So the first thing I have that I don't like of the user experience in YouTube is that the way they display the information on the initial, I am on the main page, let's say on YouTube. This is the initial page for my YouTube account. So I see recommendations based on my subscriptions. That's okay. But if I go to the menu, the home is okay. My channel is okay because I want easy access to my channel, so that's good. Trending, I don't use uh, this functionality, this access. I don't want to see anything that is trending. The things that interest me, I just look for them and I subscribe to the channels that I like or I need information about the topic. I just subscribe on channels that talk about that. Or if I like to hear music while I'm working, I just subscribe to the channels that provide that type of content. I don't use trending a lot. So I know trending is more like a way for YouTube to promote some content. So I guess that's the point of having trending here in a highlighted position. But I don't use it. I would like to remove this from the menu and maybe add another item that I use more than this to the main menu so I can access it easily. So and subscriptions here, that's okay. The problem is when after this, so I have a list of subscriptions here below. So one thing that I don't get is uh, why do I have subscriptions here and the list of all the channels that I'm subscribed to here? Uh, so this is, I don't know, if I want to go to the subscriptions and see my subscriptions, I will go there direct to this. So this is just noise on the screen because I have a lot of channels that I'm subscribed to, and even those are not listed in any type of order. So I want to look for a channel that is named, the name starts with A. I can see names started with A on the middle of the list, here. So it's difficult to find a specific channel that you are subscribed to. So I don't know. I don't like the way this is displayed. So here they allowed me to change that, but initially, is most relevant. The criteria is most relevant. Most relevant to whom? It's not relevant to me. I don't know what is relevant to me. I think what is relevant to me is maybe new activity. That is okay, but most relevant. This doesn't say much. So this is not a big issue because I can change the order here. But the default is most relevant, and that doesn't make much sense. But the issue I have is when I when I create these live events and I make maybe a live event each week. Take a look at this. I need to go to my channel, so it's one click. I need to go to Video Manager, so it's a really small text here, so I know where to go because I do this a lot. But when you go here and you want to create an event, you can't see anything related to events here. So you need to know where you are going. So you need to search on Google how to create a live event on YouTube. So you need to read a guide, and the user interface here is not helping you to understand where do you need to go to a live event. So you need to search on Google first, read a guide first, and then you realize, oh, okay, I need to go to my channel, one click. I need to go to Video Manager, 2 clicks. I need to go to live streaming, 3 clicks. I need to go to events, 4 clicks. And here I can create a new live event. So this is very weird. Why not, just I need a lot of clicks. Second, the user interface is not allowing you, the user, to know where you can create live events. You need to know that the live events are inside the Video Manager area. Yes. So, and the weird thing is when you go to the Video Manager, it's really on the same level as live streaming. So it's not inside, events, it's not inside the Video Manager. You need to go to the Video Manager to see this screen and this menu that is really the Creator Studio. So the flow here is not so well designed, and it's not allowing you to know where to go based on a goal you have. I have the goal to create a live event, and looking at the user interface, you don't know where to go. So that is the first problem. The second problem is when you access the Video Manager, you can see this menu and go to live streaming and events. But live events is not on the same level as Video Manager. And on the previous screen, where I accessed the Video Manager is here. If the Video Manager is on the same level, let's say the hierarchy level as live streaming, why not add here a button that says live streaming or create an event or something like that? So it's very, very difficult to understand, the navigation hierarchy here. Yeah. So that is the main issue I have. They didn't dedicate a lot of time to think about how you change from the normal user interface that is this, like you watch videos on YouTube, you might have a couple of videos uploaded yourself to YouTube, and the upload functionality is really easy to find. It's here, so it's very easy to normal users that really are consumers of videos on YouTube occasionally upload a video. So they have the link here, is one click away from any screen. So this is displayed on any screen. But if you are a content producer, if you want to have your events live, like this one. You want to talk about a topic, you want to show how you draw, you want to show software you developed, something like that. You need to know where to go. You need to know that how to change from the normal user interface to the content generator interface. So video manager and the menu changes. So this is the creator studio. Why not adding a button here at the top that says creator studio? So that will be easier. And I go to this screen. And also, it doesn't make sense that the video manager that is inside the Creator Studio is accessed by one click. From here. Why not saying here, instead of video manager, Creator Studio? And from here, you go to the Creator Studio home. That is the dashboard, really. Yeah. So go here, and if I want to create an event, I go to live streaming, etc. But maybe put the link to the creator's studio here instead of the video manager, or put it on top. Is something that creators will use a lot. They need to access to that specific area. So right now, there is no workaround. You need to click 5 times, 6 times to reach that page. This flow doesn't make much sense, as I said, and you need to read a guide to know where the event create a screen is. The navigation doesn't have a good hierarchy. So you access from a link on another screen, something that is inside the Creator Studio. It's not the Creator Studio itself. And the workaround, the only workaround I found is just go here to live stream, to events, and just bookmark this page. Just add this to your bookmarks and just use that click to access the event scheduler. That is the easiest way on workaround I found. If I don't have that bookmark, I need to make for every single video I make. I need to go through this workflow, like 5 or 6 clicks away to just create a live event, and something that I can do with 2 clicks. Just bookmark this, access to your bookmark, and then go to new live event, and here you put your information, and that's it. And you click on go live, and a Hangout window will open, and you are ready to go. So you are really 3 clicks away from creating a live event. And I think this benefits YouTube, because you are creating content in YouTube, and you want your content to be good, so a lot of people see it, so it's good to YouTube. So it's better for them to have good quality content and more people watching that content on YouTube, and they are making this very difficult to do. So if I have that specific flow 3 clicks away, I might be able to create more videos easily, but that's it. It's a small usability review on this specific area of YouTube. I think most people that is creating content for YouTube needs to go through this workflow a lot. So it will be good for for us if YouTube developers that are very smart can take a look at this and improve our lives a little. I gave some pointers where they can work on the flow and what is wrong with this flow. And there are other flows that I don't see natural, maybe, or useful, or requires a lot of effort to reach a goal, to make an action I need to do. But this is just a review of this specific workflow, and I did a small comment on the main screen on YouTube also. Maybe you can add, instead of trending, I know you want to have trending here, but maybe it would be better for us to have here, hey, you have a link to the creators studio directly here. And for people that is not a creator, is not a content uh, builder, uh, maybe you grab their attention also, and you can make them start creating content for YouTube. If you show the creators studio area and menu item here, maybe they can click on that and learn about how to create content for YouTube. So it benefits YouTube. So please, YouTube, fix this, take a look at that, think of us, make the workflows simpler, easier, to have less clicks. Please do. And that's it. Thank you.